The course is ready for you to onboard, and let me show you a couple of things that you will know by the end of this course. You will start by learning standard transactions and standard objects in SAP. You will create basic documents first, but then you will go forward and create custom document types, and this will be based on your customer's request. We have a project simulation prepared for you. In one of my last implementation projects, I was working a lot with the document management system, and now this is my chance of sharing with you my knowledge. And also the challenges that you will solve in this course, they will be inspired by the real-life challenges that I had and I solved them. You will create a custom document type ZMF, which will have behind all the customizing required to meet your customer's expectations. You will also learn how to customize the document information creation screen. For example, here we have a couple of fields available. They are available based on the customer's request. Standard SAP, you will see that you have a lot of fields which most of the times are not necessary. Let's fill up a description here. SAP DMS training. You will also learn how to create and manage the document lifecycle. And once again, this is created based on your customer's request. I can navigate to extras and I can show you how the status network looks like. These are the steps which define your customer's document lifecycle. You have different statuses. You can have in work, inspection required, released, archived, and so on. The real advantage here is that once you will learn how to customize this process based on this request, you will know how to customize any other processes because you will have the fundamental knowledge of doing this. When you are creating the document information record, you will know also how to create original files. For example, I want now to create an original file for my example, which is creating work instructions for manufacturing. Your customer wants to have different documents stored in SAP, and basically every document will be part of an workstation application. You can have here all the applications that are available, and you will also know how to create custom applications to meet any kind of demands that the customer can have. In our example, we took a Word document. We can have a description here. Now let's upload the original file. You can have this original file on your own local machine, but what I will teach you will bring a lot of value to your customers, and this is because this is what I've done for my previous customer and he was quite happy. You can create original documents by using a template, and I will also show you how to customize this template. By using these templates, your customer will make sure that all the documents that are created will respect certain standards, and you can just fill here applies to everybody interested in learning SAP. I will show you also how to create different links. You will also know how to link your original file with different SAP objects. This work instruction will relate to a certain material, and I can put here RF123. And in your example, your customer will ask you to maintain the link with the material master. I will show you how to customize the object link so that you can have the possibility of linking your original file with other master data objects from quality management, from production planning, from sales and distribution, and so on. You will know also how to use the document browser, and this will help you to manage your documents on the SAP server. You will know how to create this kind of folders and how to save your document in a certain folder. Your customer also has a lot of documents, a huge number of documents, and the customer wants to classify those documents based on certain attributes. So I will show you how to maintain also the classification. Each work instruction can belong to a certain work center. Let's see this one. The work instruction can be applied to a certain material group. And also your customer wanted to be able to assign the document to multiple material groups. And I will show you how to make this customizing, how to create characteristics and classes for classification, and then how to make all this customizing available for your customer. And once you are saving your document, you will have here a document number assigned. Your customer wanted to have different document ranges for different kind of document types. I will also show you the principles of maintaining different document ranges for different document types. You will know how to manage the change documents for your document information record, because your customer wants to be able to see at any point in time what was changed, when was changed, and by who. And by having the proper customizing, you can display your change documents and you can see all the changes here. And you will also know how to interpret this information so that you can make it available to your customer. Based on the document status you have created, you can change also the status of your document to go to the next step. And now that your document is in inspection required, in this moment you will know how to customize your document so that no other changes can be done. And if there are any changes required, then the document can go back to the status in work. And this is because your customer wanted to have different persons to create documents, different persons to approve them, and also release them. Based on your customer's requirement, you will know how to customize the document types so that if you want to save a document information record, and if your original file was not checked in on the SAP database, you will get a notification to choose on which SAP content server you want to save your document. Because this is supposed to be a short introduction, I don't have enough time to go in details at everything that you will do. Please take a look at the course structure to see all the fun lessons that you can benefit from. And thank you very much for joining me in this learning journey.